Hello and welcome to Ricky's Random Blog. As you can see from the title, it's the PC rebuild. It's about bloody time. I know, I've actually got some spare time to do it. I've got some new bits to go in it. Like, if you haven't watched the other videos, I've got 1 terabyte Western Digital black drive. I've also got Windows 7 Professional 64-bit as the new operating system. I'm thinking about doing a processor upgrade in the future, as well as shoving more RAM in it, as it's currently got 8, but I can upgrade it up to 12 or 16, not too sure, I'll have to double check on that. Yeah, that's about it. I will be documenting as I go forward, so yeah, let's stick the new hard drive in it. I did promise myself I would get this done by 2015, but unfortunately it may not be done by 2015, as it's currently 10 to 5 on New Year's Eve. So yeah, let's swap this hard drive over. Once I've finished backing up some very important files, such as my iTunes library and all my internet favourites, which are a pain in the backside if I lose them. So yeah, I'm just going to back them up quickly, and then I'll put the new hard drive in and go from there. Let's carry on with this vid. Well, I failed. It's now 2015, New Year's Day. iTunes eventually finished backing up yesterday at about 10:30. I've literally about 5 minutes ago finished backing up Mozilla Firefox, all my Arduino sketches, anything else I need off this hard drive before I remove it. But yeah, it's now ready to go. I'm actually literally just about to turn it off, which I will actually show you me turning it off, because this is going to be the last time you ever see this computer running on 32-bit. And shut down. Right, shouldn't take long, hopefully. Oh wait, no, it's doing its normal trick. Dropbox, yeah, I'm all synced up. Full shutdown, and it's now turning off. Logging off. This thing does take an eternity to shut down with its damaged hard drive. Let's just speed this up a bit. Right, so I can now get on and put the new hard drive in. Right, it's recording. Right, PC's out. Just about to take the side off of it. I haven't done this for a while. I'm missing a thumb screw. Anything. Sides off. Let's commence with putting the hard drive in. I'll tell you some of the goodies I've got. Quad core inside, aftermarket cooler, modular power, semi-modular power supply, 8 gigs of RAM, 2 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 fans, a AMD Sapphire Radeon. Is it? Yeah, it's a Sapphire something card. Yeah, it's a Sapphire something. Oh, that's it. A Sapphire HD 6670. The upgraded one. It's a low profile one. I actually got given that by one of my friends who updated his, as I'm not a big PC gamer, but he gave it to us, and I thought, sod it, might as well put it in here. Runs very well. Yeah, but yeah, let's do the hard drive. Fine. Right, let's go and get me ESD strap and stuff. Right, I've got my hard drive. I've lost my ESD straps. They're somewhere in this house, but I'll find them later. I want to get this done. Got my Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive in here, which is in this box. In the process of opening. Right, that's the hard drive. Yeah. You know, roll this over and do the next bit, which is under the other screws on the other side. Just quickly do that. Undo this side, put the screws in the box. That side off. Oh god. Undo the remaining 4 screws, which I've done up with a screwdriver, so I need a fucking screwdriver, which is somewhere around there. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. theoretically this part should either slide out the front or the back. I can't actually remember, it's been a while since I've taken this computer apart. Yep, roll it round like so. And front, just undo the plugs at the back, power, serial. Oh, there's another plug. Oh, there's a fan in the front, yes, forgot about that. Just follow that round to where it plugs in. If you want top one, which come undone, you can come out with me. What I mean by modular and very awkward for getting out. Yeah. Oh god, what's that got hooked in now? There we go. This is what I mean now. This is actually a cradle that my hard drive's sitting. It's got a fan at the front and fan controls and speed controls. But this hard drive is knackered, and I'm going to put the new hard drive in its place and like move this one down to here, not bolt it in, because I may need still to get some data off of this one. So I'm going to leave it in the computer but not have it plugged in. So yeah, I'm going to quickly do that and get back to you when it's done. Right, all bolted in, ready to go back in the computer. There was a slight problem, well not exactly a problem. When I built this thing, I put all the screws in the tub like, well, most people do. They put all the screws that they get out of all the computers they've ever made and put them in a glass jar, which is up there on the shelf. But I can't find the really long screws that hold these in, so I can only have one hard drive in here. But I'm just going to put this back in the ESD bag that the Western Digital came out of, and put it somewhere safe in case I ever need to use it again. But hopefully I shouldn't have to use it again. So let's slide this back in the front. Ah, that's what you got stuck on. That ESD strap. I've got it clipped in the wrong bit. Flick you up, slide you forward, bring you in like that. You're straight. Let's get the front screws out of the box. The silver ones, just put two of them in the sides, so it'll hold it while I plug everything in. Yeah, I do love this modular case. When I first built this thing, it was built on a budget. I think this is under a £400 build when it was new. But I didn't scrimp on the case because usually I buy cases that are like 20, 30, £12, like that one over there, which I can't show you because it's not in shot. It's the other one in the previous clip. But if you have a cheap case, you need a set of screwdrivers, a set of files, and about 4 boxes of plasters because they are really sharp. But this case is a bit overkill for what I wanted. I just wanted something that run cool, and 5 fans with a cooler. This cooler is just ridiculous. Right, let's put them 4 in. Let's plug the hard drive in and stuff. Let's put this back in the box. Bring you back in the box. Move you there, roll you on your side, like you do. I see what I'm doing. Let's that just slide out. Oh dear. Still got the old hard drive on top of the PC, put you there. And yes, I know I haven't got an anti-static mat down, that isn't too bad, so I've got to clean that. Right, plug the fan back in, which, have you got trapped or something? Yes, you have. Your fan's got trapped. Should be brilliant. Out you come again. That's what must have stuck. Hopefully I haven't sliced any cables. Now I'm going to repair that and then come back to you because... And my ESD strap just broke. Oh wait, that didn't. Right, I'm going to repair this and get back to you. That slipped in a lot better than it did last time. I'd actually got one of the cables stuck for the fan because they sit in a little groove on the side with little metal pins over it. But the last time I stripped it, I proper went to town on it as it was running a bit hot. And if there was a part of this PC I took apart, I added the bits, like proper bits were everywhere. I was cleaning them all, removing all the dust. But yeah, hopefully it should now plug back in quite happily. Let's flicker on her side again, hopefully for the last time. Where's the power thing for the fan? You should be under here. There she is. Power, plug her in. These fans on here, they've got a speed control that you just select using these. You've got like low, medium and high. In the winter I can have them on low, and in the summer I tend to have them on high. Did I have you plugged in there? Did I honestly have you plugged in there? Oh fuck. Did I have you plugged in there? Must have done, that's all I bloody need. Okay, got to come back out again. I forgot last time I built this thing, I put a modular power supply in it recently, and I only used 2 of the pins, and I piggybacked them off of some of the other ones. So what happened is, when I piggybacked them, I've got to move that hard drive up a bay, so let's do that. Ugh, it's just getting ridiculous now. Never mind, I will get this done. Right, hard drive's all in. These 4 screws are in. It's all plugged in. All I've got to do now is put the screws in the last 4 screws in there. Turn the last 4 screws of these in the other side. Put the sides on, put them front screws in, and then power up and see what happens. Right, this is it. Just about to turn it on for its first time with the new hard drive. If it powers up, that screen should come on and do something. I don't know what it'll do, but it'll come on. Oh, it's lit up. It's doing something. That's a good sign. Yes! Yep, that's a good sign. Let me take this off the thing. Unhook you. It means I've got the new hard drive's been recognised and I have no OS on it. So yeah, I can slide it back in and get on with that. So let's continue on with this build. Right, I've installed the OS. I've also installed all the other programs to do with it, like all my drivers, my graphics card drive, and my motherboard's drivers. I've installed Mozilla, my antivirus. It's all up and running. So this computer's complete, more or less. So that's it for this video. This is Rikki's Random Vlog, and I will see you in the next video. Keep on building.